In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Taobao not sending login or sign up codes. First, double check that you have entered the correct phone number with the right contact code. Even a small mistake will stop the SMS from being sent. Make sure your mobile network is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move to an area with better signal to ensure you can receive verification codes. If the SMS still don't arrive, try using the email option instead of phone number if available. Some regions allow Taobao codes to be sent to your registered email address. Also check if your carrier or phone is blocking international SMS. Some providers filter text from overseas numbers. Call a carrier to confirm if international SMS is enabled. If codes still don't show up, try logging in through the Taobao website on a browser instead of the app. Sometimes codes deliver better to one method than the other. As a last resort, contact Taobao customer support through Wang Wang or the help center. They can manually verify your account or check if your number is flagged, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix Taobao not sending login or sign up codes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.